Backlit diffusing LED bar ST BL15 is the latest LED bar equipped to super-wide angle lens. It is developed for the thinner light books. It uses imported Seoul LED chip. Each LED is 1 watt, constant current 0.35 amperes, working model, super-wide angle lens, and twice diffusing light design. It is illuminating more evenly. Strong aluminum radiator brings good heat dissipation and prolonged lifetime. Male and female heat connection simplifies installation. Modular design and waterproof ensure ST BL15 to be used outdoor well. ST BL15 has 2 types. A type has a special aluminum radiator. B type has a self-adhesive aluminum substrate, but without aluminum radiator. Thus, ST BL15 is very flexible in use. At first, we should know this is the LED distance on the bar, which could be customized while ordering. This is the LED bar distance, which could be as the thickness of light books and needed brightness. According to the size of light books, choose suitable bar length and quantity. As the quantity of LED, choose suitable adapter. Arrange the LED bars in accordance with the current direction. Connector, adapter, and bars. Before turning on the power, check the current direction again. Turning on the power, ST BL15 works stably and durably.